What if I told you that two rocks that look completely different, a red brick and a piece of granite, can tell you exactly how hard, how absorbent, and how durable they really are, just by weighting them 3 times? That's exactly what I did in this experiment. I tested two construction materials, refractory brick and granite. My goal was to find two things: their bulk specific gravity, which tells us how dense the material is compared to water, and their water absorption, which tells us how porous it is. The idea is really simple. The more gaps and pores inside a material, the more water it soaks up and the weaker its structure tends to be. Here's how I did it. First, I dried each sample completely in an oven to remove all the moisture and got its dry weight. Then I submerged each sample in water to get its suspended weight. Finally, I took it out, wiped off the surface water and weighed one more time to get the saturated weight. With just these three numbers, I could calculate everything. So, what did I find? Granite came out with a bulk specific gravity of 2.64, dense, tightly packed, almost no gaps. Its water absorption was just 0.22%. That's basically nothing. The refractory brick, on the other hand, had a lower density of 2.23 and absorbed 5.58% water. That's about 28 times more than granite. Why the huge difference? Because refractory bricks are designed with controlled porosity. Those tiny air pockets actually help the brick handle extreme heat and thermal expansion in things like furnace linings. So there's a real insight. Density and water absorption are inversely related. The denser the material, the less it absorbs, and that single relationship tells engineers exactly where a material belongs. Granite, perfect for outdoor structures and load-bearing walls, where moisture resistance matters. Refractory brick, built for heat, not water. This is why simple lab tests like this matter. Before a single brick or stone gets used in construction, we already know exactly how it will behave. And that's the power of bulk specific gravity and water absorption testing.